So let's be honest, it's a fact that in order to survive in social media, you need to have consistent content. But not just any content will do. You really need to have content that is engaging but catches your audience within minutes. Now, content that is too long can become boring and lose your visitors' interest, and what ends up happening is they'll simply go to your competitors. Now, the big problem number one is that not everyone can create content. In other words, if you don't have that artistic or creative ability to write content, then I have good news that it doesn't really matter anymore. Now you can create simple images that are super engaging. Problem number two, not everyone is, of course, a graphic artist either. So what if there was a way to create daily content in less than 10 minutes? Is that even possible? So I want to talk about a 9-part step-by-step video course that shows you how to create super simple but powerful content for Facebook, for Pinterest, and for Instagram. Now, this course was designed to help you basically watch over my shoulder, step by step, click by click, to ensure that you're able to successfully and effectively create simple content quick. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number one is the introduction. We're going to talk about getting in the right mindset. We're going to give you a quick overview of the course, and we'll talk about what you need to have to get started. Video number two, we're going to talk about how to analyze your audience. One big mistake that a lot of people make in terms of content marketing is they simply jump in, start creating content, and then they wonder why the content isn't getting engagement. So before you can do any of that, you need to understand your audience. And while you may think that you know your audience, we need to dive deeper and analyze that. So we're going to talk about that in video number two. And then video number three, we're going to talk about expanding upon that to figure out what other interests are your audience interested in. So what other topics and things like that can allow you to broaden your horizon and create more content. Video number four, we're going to talk about where do they hang out, understanding where your audience likes to go, pages they like to visit, things like that is crucial. Video number five, we're going to talk about powerful images and where you can go about finding them. Video number six, we're going to talk about powerful words and how you can go find them as well. And of course, last but not least, we'll take all that information in video number seven and we'll show you how to go about creating these simple pieces of content really, really fast. And of course, in video number eight, we're going to talk about how you can go about organizing that content. And of course, video number 9, we'll talk about how to auto schedule that content to go out to your social media sites. So go ahead and grab this video course and we'll see you on the inside.